The FBI is now investigating the sexual misconduct claims against Judge Brett Kavanaugh that have stalled his Supreme Court nomination and divided American voters. In a CBS News poll out this morning, 35% of people say the Senate should confirm Kavanaugh. 37% want senators to vote against him, and 28% believe it's too soon to say.
Now, the outside counsel hired to question Christine Blasey Ford tells Republicans on the Judiciary Committee that a he said, she said case is difficult to prove, but, quote, this case is even weaker than that. Major Garrett is at the White House. Major, good morning.
Good morning. The White House did not want a new FBI investigation, the seventh, if you're keeping track, into Brett Kavanaugh, but agreed because it was the only way to keep Kavanaugh's embattled nomination alive. Now, this weekend, a new clash arose over Kavanaugh's sworn testimony last week, not about sexual assault, but about his drinking habits.
They have to have the ability to pursue the evidence. You look at
Judiciary Committee Democrat Amy Klobuchar warned the White House has tried to protect Supreme Court nominee Brett Kavanaugh by ordering a narrow investigation.
They cannot say, oh, hey, only interview the people in their neighborhood on one side of the street.
The FBI will not pursue allegations from Julie Swetnick that Kavanaugh was present at parties in the early 80s where women were given excessive amounts of alcohol and sexually assaulted. New transcripts show in an interview with the Judiciary Committee last week, Kavanaugh called Swetnick's allegations total BS. She's lying, Kavanaugh said.
The Swetnick thing is a joke. That is a farce.
A new front in the Kavanaugh saga, how truthful he was about his drinking habits in high school and college. The FBI may investigate that.
I did not drink beer to the point of blacking out.
A Yale College classmate of Kavanaugh's, Charles Chad Ludington, said Kavanaugh tried to deceive the Senate by downplaying his drinking habits. Ludington says on multiple occasions he saw Kavanaugh staggering from alcohol consumption. When Brett got drunk, he was often belligerent and aggressive. Ludington added he would take my information to the FBI.
They have free rein. They're going to do whatever they have to do, whatever it is they do.
On Sunday, lawyers for Christine Blasey Ford said she has not heard from the FBI. But the FBI did interview Deborah Ramirez, another Yale College classmate who told The New Yorker that during a drunken dorm room party in the early 80s, Kavanaugh thrust his penis in her face and caused her to touch it without her consent. As Kavanaugh continues to deny charges of sexual assault and excessive drinking, the FBI is expected to interview those at the party where Dr. Ford testified this alleged assault took place. They include Kavanaugh friends and associates Leland Kaiser, Mark Judge, and P.J. Smith. Meanwhile, another Yale classmate of Kavanaugh's, Chris Dudley, who played in the NBA, said this about his drinking habits and alleged abuse of alcohol. He said, that is Dudley, Kavanaugh never, ever blacked out. Gayle?
All right, Major, thank you.